Welcome to this video. Stay and watch how to replace the air filters on an Infiniti G35. And yes, there is two. We have a filter here and there. So we'll be installing a Wix 49362 air filter. I'll add a link in the description that will take you straight to Amazon, where you can get a 2-day free delivery with Amazon Prime. I'll start on the driver's side by just flipping these two tabs up, slide my hand under the handle and pull the filter right out. Remove it from the tray, take your new filter and put it in the tray. Hint, it will only fit one way. As you can see. Then you just put it back where you found it. Make sure it sits down all the way before you put the tabs back on. Now over at the passenger side, the same thing. Undo the two clips, grab the handle and pull straight up with a bit of wiggling. Remove the filter from the tray. And you can see that the filter is quite dirty. We'll do a quick comparison between the new clean filter and the old dirty filter. So there's the old and the new. You can actually see how much more light gets through the new air filter compared to the old one. We'll also look at the other side where it actually collects the dust. Same thing. So we'll install the new filter. Click the tabs into place and off you go. Leave a like and subscribe if this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.